talking. Ooh, already in third gear. I don't want to be in third gear. Alright, back to the woods where I got my fire pit. There's the fire pit going. Beautiful Chinese pistache tree. Little pine tree, bur oak. That's a pink dogwood right there. There's another Chinese pistache. That's one of the earlier ones that I planted. It's a lot bigger. This tree right here is a catalpa tree. Brought here from Missouri. Go back through the woods here. I'm standing on the bike because I stand a lot. What other trees do I got? I already did all these trees. There's a hedge, that big one there that I'm about to run into. That's a hedge apple tree, I think. It's real hard wood. There's some pecan trees back through here. There's Jack. Those are 2 Chinese pistache and 3 cedar elms. The 3 cedar elms in the front and the 2 Chinese pistache are the ones closer to me. I do like these Chinese pistache trees. They look really really good, real neon this time of year. I got another Chinese pistache in the front yard. I got 5 Chinese pistache trees that I've planted. You can tell I like those. There's a redbud tree. Alright, let's go here, back around here. I'm on the other side of the guy wires. Alright, so sit down. I'm going to go through the woods one more time sitting down. It's always hard for me to do for some reason. Like it. I feel like I don't have as good handling. I can still smell that wood burning from that fire pit. I almost stood up right there. Stand up to help steer your bike. I guess push off the pegs, the foot pegs and stuff. Whoa. There's old Jackie Chan.